inequality, right, the bottom cannot be a negative because the bottom part is practically just a smiling parabola. See, a smiling parabola cannot be a negative. It does not get any negative values. It can only be a 0 or, but the bottom also can never be a 0 because if the bottom is a 0, the whole thing is undefined. So we don't have to worry about the bottom. So it seems like we can only just focus on the top because the top seems like it's calling all the shots. So here, whatever x value we get, we're always going to get a positive outcome. So if we're going to work out where is this fraction smaller than or equal to 0, firstly, if we're going to work out where it's smaller than 0, right, the only time it can be smaller than 0 in this situation is if the top is a minus. You see, the only scenario where it can be equal to 0, right, is if the top is a 0. You see, so we just have to work. You see, we just have to work with the top. We can work out where is this equal to 0. It's equal to 0 where x is a minus 2, and then here we have to work out where is the top a minus, because if the top is a minus, that's the only scenario where our fraction is a negative. You see, so where is the top? Smaller than 0. The 2 goes over. We're seeing here x is smaller than -2. So these two combined would have x's smaller or equal to -2, which is what you get there. You see?
Yeah. Okay,
So
now.
Yeah, that's that. So let me see here. Let's move this thing now. There we go.